Today's modern front line involves various manned and unmanned users, connected platforms, and devices. Endless amounts of data flows from many sensors and effectors across the entire hierarchy in a dynamic reality. A full suite of continually evolving applications is essential in order to outperform adversaries. To meet that essential need, we developed E-CiX, an open architecture framework for C4 ISR systems, along with the E-CiX software development kit for application development. Installed and in use worldwide on any platform, defense system, and sensors, the E-CiX infrastructure enables next-generation multi-domain network solutions to connect first responders no matter the situation. The E-CiX platform enables agile development and deployment of operational applications to the field for all platforms and users with maximum flexibility. E-CiX enables you to build your own app store using a wide range of capabilities, including data visualization, mapping, imagery and video capabilities, data distribution and synchronization, and modeling data. E-CiX enables a multi-level joint operation with standard interfaces to create interoperability among all applications, operation systems, user interfaces, and hardware. Embraced by NATO, Five Eyes, and other military, emergency management services, and homeland security organizations worldwide, E-CiX and its software development kit play a major role in their digital transformation. E-CiX by Elbit Systems of Australia, your network-centric enabler, developing innovative technology in Australia and protecting the Australian way of life.